Have you ever experienced an argument, a debate, a controversy? If so, have you ever experienced pity or mercy? Did you feel bad at the person you disregarded miserably? And if so, did you let the person go? For one instance, think yourself as a lawyer of the affirmative side defending the suspect during a court hearing. You were against the oppositions of suspect and said suspect began begging for mercy, telling you that he have a family and he was the only one capable of feeding them. If he was to be incarcerated, the family would die starving. Of course, the moral action one would take is to feel mercy and forgiveness for the suspect of the opposing side. And you just did, but never have known that you've made a fool of yourself by accepting a make-believe done by a suspect. This is called the argumentum ad misericordiam, or argument from pity or misery.
The ad misericordiam fallacy illicitly appeals to pity or a related emotion such as sympathy, compassion, or mercy in order to gain the acceptance of an unrelated conclusion. Even so, not all appeals to pity are fallacious. It is the fallacy of supporting a position by attempting to provoke pity or guilt in your audience or opponent. It's a type of appeal to emotion fallacy. Other appeal to emotion fallacies include appeal to flattery, appeal to authority, appeal to spite, and wishful thinking.
It could apply in debates during court hearings. For example,
Oy pre, hindi kasi ako nakapasok ng online class ni Sir Dante. Di ko alam gagawin ko sa assignment kasi di ko naabutan yung klase.
Ano ba pwedeng gawin ko, pre, para matulungan naman kita?
Pwede ba pakopya sa assignment?
Paano pag napansin ni sir na kopyahan tayo?
Pre, sige na. Babagsak kasi ako kapag
Sige na nga.
Bro, di ako makakapasok. Pwede ba kunan mo ako ng notes?
Bakit? Absent ka na naman?
Walang magbabantay sa GF ko May sakit siya.
Pre, tawagin mo na lang yung, yung parents niya.
Out of town daw kasi pre. Sige na, please.
Sige, Garod.
and that's about it. That is appeal to pity, misery fallacy, or argumentum ad misericordiam. Thank you for listening.